Hey, what's going on, everybody? Sorry for the few minutes late start here. Had to get our big announcement posted. I don't know if you guys have seen that. Hopefully you have, but if not, I'm going to go ahead and recap that here real fast for you guys. What we're going to be doing is giving away this 2013 Topps 5-star Mike Trout autograph patch card. This card's number 25 of 35, and once again, we'll be giving it away. You guys that are in this break here, you guys are already entered to win. So the next, hey Steven, what's up, buddy? Yeah. The next 50 breaks, each spot you buy, you'll have a chance to win this Mike Trout card once again. So keep an eye on the Great Moments Break Lounge Facebook group. So let me, give me 1 second here. What's up, Corey? How you doing? We do have another Bowman Sterling box. I think we've got 6 spots left for that, so you guys can check that out when you get a sec. Of course, each spot you buy gets you a chance to win the Mike Trout autograph patch card. So let's go ahead and get this box open here. I don't know where my knife is, so I'm going to use a pen to rip this plastic here. There we go. See, a knife is so much better. All right. There we are. It's going to be my first look at these with you guys here. See how they're packaged. Three, 4, and 5. Those big bars of soap we've got. You know what? I am going to have to get up and get my knife for each of these packs here. I'm sorry, guys. Hang tight. Here we are. All right. Let's get right into it. Hope everybody's doing very well. What's up, Vince? All right. Pack number 1. Very nice base cards. Nice and plain, but good look to them. Chance Adams. Laureano. It's our first auto. Julio Pablo Martinez, number 96 of 99. Texas Rangers. It's going to Dick Claypool. Congrats, Dick. Got Swaggerty, Kellenic, and McKay. We'll set Trout right there. You guys can look at that and drool over that Trout while we open these cards here. All right, we have Jimenez base card, Astudillo base rookie, and Brady Singer, Kansas City Royals. Nice on-card auto. Kansas City is going to Danny Stevens. Congrats, Dan. Then we've got Dean Dietz, Sparkle to 99, Brendan Rodgers, and Kyle Wright. A lot of layers to get through these cards, you know. There's Wander base. Sixto Sanchez. Casey Mize. Auto refractor number 84 of 150. Congrats, Steven. Nice hit. Nice hit, Steven. Nolan Gorman, Ian Anderson, and Jonathan India base. All right, we got 2 to go. No Eloy, but we'll take a Casey Mize. Heath Philmeyer, Brock Deathridge, a Lugo to 199. Toronto Blue Jays, Brian Barucki, Sparkle Auto, 43 of 99. It's going to Nick Welsh. Congrats, Nick. We have Cedric Mullins and then a Lugo base. 1 pack left. All right, Kobe Allard, Corbin Burns, Sean Reed Foley. Oh, I'm going to flip that to the back there. Ronaldo Hernandez, Urias base. There's that Reed Foley again, but we've got a redemption. Let's see what we have. Let's see what we've got. Prospect autograph, Anthony Siegler. Anthony Siegler, autograph redemption, and I am blanking on Anthony Siegler. We'll do a quick Google search, see where Siegler's at. And Prospect Auto, Siegler, oh my goodness, Yankees organization. There we go. There we go. All right, congrats Yankees then. It's Corey. Prospect autograph, Anthony Siegler. All right, so let's run through these one more time here. Oh, he's a Mariner, see? Oh, maybe he's bounced around. Yeah, currently catcher with the Yankees organization. Was formerly a Marlin, I suppose. Cool, so let's go ahead and run through these hits one more time. Barucki, Sparkle to 99. Casey Mize, Auto Refractor to 150. Brady Singer. And then the Julio Pablo Martinez, Sparkle to 99. So congrats, and thank you guys very much. We'll get those taken care of. Ah, yes, Seager, yeah. He is one of them's a Mariner, right? The other's the Dodger, I believe, right? So, all right, guys, once again, keep an eye on the Great Moments Break Lounge Facebook group. We're giving away this Mike Trout. So each spot you buy in the next 49 box breaks after that one, you'll have a chance to win this Mike Trout on-card autograph patch card numbered to 35. So good luck. Tell your friends. Thank you, guys. We'll see you soon.